In front of me is Honor Magic V6, and today I would like to show you how you can add a password to Google Passwords Manager. First of all, go into Settings and scroll to hit Google. Then click on All Services, scroll again and tap on Autofill with Google over here. Then select the Google Password Manager. Click on Add Password, or if you don't have it like I don't, select Settings at the bottom right corner and use this switcher next to Offer to save passwords if it's not already on. Now, you need to have at least one password here to add any other one manually. So to fix it, log in into any website or any app that requires an account and wait for Save pop-up. When you see it, click on it, so select Save, and then go back to Autofill with Google to check out not only your first added password but also Add Password option. Now, with this you can add any other one manually. To do it now, input any website or any app at the top by inputting website here or choosing select app and tapping on a chosen one. Then enter your username, email or phone number, password, and even take some helpful notes. When you're ready, hit save at the top right corner. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!